Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Guitar Guitar. Mac DeMarco. That's the first time here on Guitar Guitar, I believe so. I think I came across his songs, yeah, kind of long ago. Don't remember really there, but anyway, never had him on Guitar Guitar. Now, deserved spot with the song called Holy. Holy cow, it's a cool song. So let's go into this one, and as you can see, no need for any capo here, a few chords only, and that's it. So let's start with this A minor 7 chord, and that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be the D7 sus2. Very easy transition there from A minor. So what you do here is to play open D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be C. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. We have the B minor 7, which is a bar chord. Place the index finger here on the second fret to push down 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add fourth on D and third on B. That's the B minor 7, and finally we have the E7. And that goes open E, second A, open D, first G, third B, and open E. And there we have all the chords, guys. Now let's go into the strumming. So grab the first chord, A minor 7. One round goes like this. And it's about 4 downs in total. The first down is the bass down, okay? It marks out which chord you're playing. And then the next 3 downs are played a little bit in the mid, higher area. And actually, one focus in this song is to highlight the B string. Wherever you are playing here, A minor or D7 or whatever, this B string is there. So when you do the downs there, the last 3 downs, try to stop playing the B string as the last string, because that will highlight that note. So if that makes sense, play the bass first, A minor, and then to get this single notes of first B for A minor 7, for instance, or D7 as well, and E7, that will be the third B string. So hope that makes sense. 4 downs in total, bass, top, top, top. That is the strumming. Now let's go into this actual song, and we have this main pattern of A minor, 1 string around, and D7, 1 string around. That's the start of it. You're gonna play that for 8 rounds, okay? So you're gonna alternate A minor and D7 for 8 rounds. Let's go for a couple rounds. It goes like this. Notice how I really try to get that bass string correct there when I alternate the A minor and with D. So really separate these chords from each other. So 8 rounds of that. Then you come to this mid play, so to speak, happens about 36 seconds in. This is where you're gonna play C, 1 string around, B minor 7, 1 string around, and E7, 2 string rounds. For only this 1 round. And then you go to the chorus part. But first, let's play out together. C, 1, B minor 1, E7, 2. And then chorus, where it sings Holy, of course. 42 seconds in, you're gonna play again the famous A minor 7, 1, D7, 1, this time for 4 rounds. Give you 2, you double up for 4, and that is the first round. And second round, guess what? Everything is just repetition. You're gonna start again with the verse play of 8 rounds. You just continue that A minor D7, and then you play this mid play of pre-chorus or so, C, B minor E for 1 round, and then you finish off with the last A minor D7 4 rounds. Like I said, just repetition. That is how you handle Mac DeMarco's Holy song. So hope you enjoyed it. Cool, a little bit laid back song there from Mac. Probably will be back here on this channel, and yeah, you can interact with me, wish for your songs. We have Wish Wednesday, so yeah, interact with me, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.